Ramir Abdul Muhammad. Just coming to rep my set and claim my shit. So
What the hell are you talking about? Get away from my door.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Check this door wiggler out. He has a little performance for us. Let me know what you think.
I walk this slow, I walk alone. Sodo, 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 wow, wow. Yo.
When I seen this, all I could think of was I got the bike holiday.
Put my son's bike back now. Put my son's bike back now. Crackhead. They stole my son's bike right off my porch. He's going to jail.
Instead of hitting up Walmart, this guy decides to shop at this door. If you're expecting food delivery, try to grab it ASAP. A lot of hungry people out here.
Hello, happy spring. We're busy bees and can't make it to the door. Please leave a message.
Hello?
the CEO of the Rendell Group, myself, Jeffrey Rendell Crawley, or formerly Jeffrey Rendell Crawley, now Ramir Abdul Muhammad. Just coming to rep my set and claim my shit. So
What the hell are you talking about? Get away from my door.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Not sure what's up with this guy. Claims he has a furniture delivery.
Now.
Hello? Are you waiting a bed delivery? Huh? Are you awaiting a bed delivery? A bed? Delivery. Is that here? No. Fuck. Do you happen to know what 29274 is?
What are you doing in my yard? Get out of my yard. Hey! Get out of my yard. Get out. Get out of my yard. Get out of my yard.
I don't understand what you're saying.
I said, get out of my yard and quit picking my flowers.
Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Is this guy just reminiscent of the past or up to no good?
Can I help?
Hello?
help you?
I was just, we used to own this house a long, long time ago. I was just looking at it for sale.
Okay, well, you cannot come onto the property.
You what?
Can you please leave?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, I think that's a neighbor. Hello, can I help you? Excuse me.
Check this guy out. He's moving pretty weird, waiting for his girlfriend while she steals something. Maybe he just has to pee real bad.
Oh, I know where we should go.
With summer approaching, don't forget to lock up your bikes and scooters. Also, don't forget about your other delivery options, P.O. boxes, Amazon lockers, and drop-off locations that you can pick up from.
Hey, hey. This motherfucker just stole my packages.
Straight up. How many you got out there?
2. Because they left the shit outside my door.
Instead of putting it in the.
Yeah.
God damn. You know what it was?
As always, I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And please be safe out there. I'll see you in the next one.
Oye, descarado. Oye. Mira el descarado ese, mira. Se lo llevó de nuevo.
Thank you for watching Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.